Welcome back to McPeek Adventures. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
And what are we doing today?
We are going to ONEOK Field to see some FC Tulsa soccer.
Let's go adventuring! ONEOK Field features a retractable pitcher's mound, which allows the stadium to be used for Tulsa Drillers baseball, FC Tulsa soccer, and other events such as concerts. To follow tradition, players make their way onto the field paired up with young soccer players. With the sound of the flames, it's almost game time and the crowd and players get ready. For this match, we purchased front row seats near where home plate would be, and they were $30 each before taxes and fees. ONEOK Field definitely has one of the best views of downtown Tulsa.
FC Tulsa is Oklahoma's premier soccer club, and they are in the USL Championship. They were originally founded in 2015 as the Tulsa Roughnecks FC, but then rebranded to their new team name, FC Tulsa, in their 2020 season.
Spoiler alert, if you blink during the next clip, you're gonna miss a SportsCenter Top 10 play. United 83 was pumped after that goal. Who is United 83? United 83 is the first and official supporters group of FC Tulsa. There is not a single bad seat in the house when you attend an FC Tulsa soccer game. The fireworks go off and FC Tulsa wins. After the game, be sure to head down to the lower level where the players sign autographs, shake hands, pose for pictures, and share smiles with all those around them. This was definitely awesome to see up close. This concludes our time here at ONEOK Field watching FC Tulsa soccer.
If you enjoyed this McPeek adventure and want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media platforms.
We'll see you on our next adventure.
You didn't give me a signal.